How's the mic doing? Is the mic alright? What's up, my little teehees? And today we're playing Squirrel Stapler. It's an interactive small game hunting game. I've actually been super excited for this game. I didn't play the first one or anything. The first one's getting remastered, and here it is. Fucking music. Okay, hold on. I gotta turn that off. This is a remaster of the original game. And I've seen the original game before. I've never played it, but I'm excited, man. This game actually looks fun. It looks like a little hunting game. And if you know me, you know I love hunting. So let's click this hunt button down here. Oh God. We came here to get away from it all so that our love might blossom, but our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish she were beautiful, like the squirrels of the wood. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. That's awesome. Wait. Yeah. Wow. You just started. Anyways, let's go hunt some squirrels. Nice little house we have here, too. The two of us. Nice demon pentagram as well. Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. Well, the goat of the wood can kiss my ass, is what he can do. Oh, is this our little kitchen here? Oh my goodness. Wow. This is great, man. Okay, let's move on. In 5 days, God is coming. I hope so. Jesus Christ. Yo, here we are. Day 1, baby. It is time to hunt the squirrels. Oh my God. I can't say I have ever hunted squirrel before. But I mean, this seems like a piece of cake, You just really walk up on them, you shoot them. Oh my! Wow, okay. I know how the rifle works. Poison grass, do not eat. You little squirrel. I got you. 1 of 5, baby. It's that easy. Wow. What's this guy right here? Tip of the day. Use the map, blah, 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 blah. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Ah, I see. So we're in the bottom right. Wow, there's a lot to explore. That's crazy. Anyways. This seems to be another tip over here. Nutty Nate's Squirrel Hunting Tips. You can run while standing or crouching, but be careful, it's louder. Stay low to hide in the foliage and creep quietly. Use patches of grass to hide. Use your ears. You can usually hear squirrels chattering and moving before you can see them. Your rifle is equipped with a scope. Use it to bag varmints at long range. Oop. Yeehaw, partner! Oh, wow! God, you know what they call me? They call me Deadeye. Oh my God. Oh, I'll be honest, I got a little too excited there, but wow, that was just that's why people hunt, it's the thrill of the hunt. What the hell? Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on. What the fuck was that? Somebody just throw up? Hold on, I'm looking for this squirrel. Oh. Oh! Oh my god. In 5 days, God is coming. Bro. That's 3 out of 5 squirrels for today. That's crazy. Anyways, let's go exploring. I don't think I've ever hunted squirrel before, but I do know a guy that eats them. He kills. Oh, how did I miss that? I swear. Don't move a muscle. Oh, I got you. What? What? Empty? How do I get more ammo? Do I go back to the house? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Whoa! Jesus Christ. Double speed. Hold on. I gotta go find ammo. Ooh, what is this? Found today's geocache. 1 out of 5. Find all 5 in one playthrough. For something. Interesting. Very cool. Hold on, guys. Let's get a better shot. Let's get a better shot. Oh, I got him! Wow. I think if you slow that down, you're gonna see like perfect pinpoint accuracy. I hit him right in the heart. Oop. Like I was saying before, I know a guy that eats squirrel. But he also eats roadkill. Like he picks it off the street and like cooks it and eats it. So I don't know if that's like a good basis, you know. I don't know if the guy who eats roadkill, you know, can say that squirrel tastes good. Anyways, look at this. What is this thing, bro? Is this like a radio tower or something? Oh, there's more ammo. Bam. Oh. The Lady, Part 1. Once there was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods. Desiring to ease his loneliness, he saved his meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush crafted from the hair of a beautiful woman. The artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for its creation. As he imagined she must... Holy shit, I gotta restart that whole thing. The artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for its creation, as he imagined she must look. He was then informed that due to a terrible mix-up, the hair had actually come from a wild boar. The woman wasn't... What the f*** was that? Was it the wild call of a squelk? Okay, squirrel deer. I'm just gonna bleep that out. That sounded bad. Anyways. Looks like there's a question mark up here. Let's check that out. What is the... Oh, that's the double speed thing. Okay, we have to just go north. You see that question mark up there? We gotta go there. No. There's another note. Squirrel fact. Squirrels have 4 sharp toes on their front feet for climbing. And 5 toes on their back feet. That's a crazy squirrel fact. Do. What is this building? I can't go in, but there is a note here. Report 1. Nothing of note to report. Some marginal abnormalities in readings that went away once I recalibrated. Some odd noises during the night. Probably squirrels. Overall, everything is pretty quiet. Probably squirrels. Hey, probably squirrels. You know. I mean, they're so bad, I mean, they're so good that I should probably kill them and staple them to my gorgeous thing. Wife. Not thing, that's mean. Man, I have to look around this whole map for these little notes. Oh, they're just squirrel facts. Speaking of squirrel fact, squirrels can eat their body weight in food every week. Is that true? What the fuck was... This aura hurts me. I guess that's what the health is for. Jesus. Yo, squirrel blind. Screw that. I got a squirrel blind. Oh. How did I not hit you? Is there a drop off? Where are you? Where'd you go? I can't see you. How? You... Oh no, I got you. I got you. There's multiple over here. These are enough squirrels for today. I should head back home. Oh my god, I just demolished that frickin' thing. Wow. Squirrel fact. Squirrels can survive a fall of as much as 30 feet and can jump up to 20 feet. Can they? Is that true, or am I being punked? I feel like I'm being punked. 20 feet, bro? Wait, but they can survive falls from 30 feet. And they can jump that. I'm not... Yeah. Whatever, I'm going home. Honey, the squirrel hunting was absolutely delicious today. Oh my goodness. I have so many objects to make you beautiful. And here we go. Oh, this is some horror game crap. I mean, it's October, it would make sense, but... Why is it so quiet? Oh, honey, I hear you. Hey! Press action to staple the squirrels to your beloved. 5. Oh, you're starting to look beautiful. Well, time to hit the hay, honey. Oh, what's up? Time to get more squirrels. Okay. Hold on. Is there anything you want to say to me? Not even a good morning? Okay. Is there a new verse for me? Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 2. For the bushy tail is righteous in the All-Mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? By no means! Whatever, dude. My wife is divine, and you can't tell me otherwise. Whoa! The big squirrel. Are you seeing the zoom? Are you seeing that? Wow. I should really go hunt the big squirrel. Today I must hunt the big squirrel. I promise you I wasn't even looking at the screen when that happened. I was genuinely looking away. I was looking at my phone for a second because somebody texted me. Tip of the day. Use the map. Use the call to track and lure big squirrels. Huh. Oh, that was me. That was me that just called, by the way. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Boom! What happens when I staple the big squirrel to my wife? Will she become big, beautiful? Also, 2 free squirrels right there. That's crazy. So what it's sounding like to me is that eventually God is gonna come and he's gonna like give me the Pharaoh's curse or something. I'm gonna be like I'm gonna be spitting up sand. What was that, bro? Oh my god! Oh my god! Ow! Bro, what? I got was it a squirrel ghost? I think I just got attacked by a squirrel ghost. So it should be... Bam! Found today? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna run west, and we're gonna go get that top left question mark. And then we'll get the middle question mark, and then we'll kill 2 squirrels. And we'll kill this squirrel too. Just because we're here. Oh my god. Hold on. You suck. What is this? Hold on. Screw that. Every day you can commit sins at the Shady Shack to boost your score. I'm going in! Oh! You know what squirrels are? Do you know what squirrels are? Squirrels are rats with bigger tails. That's what they are. That is what they are, and that's all they'll ever be. What is that? I don't care. These are enough squirrels for today. Says who? I should head back home. Yo, what's going on? I'm ready for report 2. Small abnormal readings still occurring with odd regularity. Recalibrating always fixes them, but they come back the next day. I also keep finding dead squirrels outside my door. Looks like maybe an animal is leaving them, but I'm noting it as per my instructions. What a boring little report you got there, bud. I keep finding dead squirrels at my house, and there's weird anomalies. Come back tomorrow for another report. And we gotta read the lady thing. The artist was inconsolable, and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. On one of these walks he encountered an old woman who said, "Ah, young man, I can see the reason for your despair. Come with me." For a few pennies, she said, his treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed, and the spell was cast. Only then did he remember that he had only painted the woman from the waist up. Ugh, whoa, dude. That's creepy. I can't believe that I got the big squirrel. Paul Allen's squirrel was not as big as mine. Is there no point to this? Is it just like decor? Yeah, there's no point. Alright, well, let's head back home. Where is it? It's southeast. It's this way. Honey, I have the big squirrel, honey. It's gonna be great. I've got the big squirrel. Oh, beautiful wife of mine. I have achieved big squirrel. I hear you calling for me. Did you write me a note while I was gone? I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead. wife. I spend hours every day hunting squirrels to put on you. Good night. I'm sleeping. Good morning, honey. How are you feeling today? Okay, bye. Book of the Grove, verse 3. Rather, like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. Blah, blah, blah. Day 3. Something was scratching on the windows last night. I should look for tracks. Oh, okay. Tip of the day, use the map, use the call. Be careful. Large predators will investigate loud noises. Large predators? Double squirrel? Is a large predator going to investigate that shot? These are not normal squirrel tracks. Whoa, something out there is hunting me. Oh no, dude, that's just the big squirrel. That's the double squirrel that I just killed. A bonus double squirrel. Wow, that's awesome. What am I gonna see? Is it just gonna be a bear? Or is it gonna be like a really big squirrel? I thought I was the hunter. I didn't know I was gonna be hunted. That doesn't make sense. That's not how it works. That's not how the Minecraft manhunt works. It's 5 hunters versus speedrunner, and I'm the hunter. Nah, I missed him. What is that? Oh, it's just a normal squirrel. Is it the squelk? Is the squelk after me? Oh! Oh, dear Lord. Oh, dear Lord. Oh my God, there's multiple! There's multiple! No, no, no. Alright, that is awful. We're just gonna sneak by you, big guy. Okay. Well, let's read the lore, I guess. That'll make me happy. Shut up, bro. Jesus. The newly created half-woman screamed and wailed, clawing her way in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom of her torso, and entrails flopped around in tangles. The artist sobbed and looked to the old woman, who was examining the pennies he'd given her, unfazed. She caught his gaze, shrugged, and said, "I reserve a special spell for these circumstances." She pointed to an axe mounted on the wall. Oh, ghost. Ghost? Oh! Shit. Shit. Shit, big squirrel. Big squirrel. I reserve a special spell for when the big squirrel is coming to me. It's called shooting it in the goddamn head. It's called shooting it. You know, I wish I could go back in time to, like, medieval ages and, like, bring a shotgun with me. And be like, behold, I have the power of Zeus. And if you step near me, I'm going to shoot you and you're going to die. I mean, I'd bring a bunch of ammo reserves with me just in case. And, like, people would fear me, right? And then I'd establish a regime. Oh my God, bro. He's actually he is genuinely just making a book, like, booking it towards me. Why? 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 Oh my god. Okay. I guess they just use explosion power up. And that's how they get you. Okay, I'm gonna grab the squirrel. I'm gonna read the lore in this corner over here. And then I'm going home. I no longer want to be here. It's not fun anymore. I don't understand how you escape. Is this the Sin Shack? Oh my goodness, you know what day it is today. Holy crap, hold on. Every day? Yeah. Let's do it, baby. I'm not going to tell you what I did in there. I wonder, okay, how do you actually avoid the big squirrels? Can you just hide from them, or how does that work? I don't understand the big squirrels yet. Report 3. There's something in the woods here that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks, and I hear it at night, moving through the foliage and scratching on the concrete. And in the morning there are squirrels outside the door, with their limbs all pulled off and their heads twisted around. Dozens of them, requesting a call for instructions on how to proceed. Yeah, from my professional opinion, we have to kill these big squirrel things. Squirrel fact. Squirrels break down their food with a structure called gastric mill, which is located in their stomach. What? Yay, I'm home. Honey, some big things are gonna happen tonight. It's stapling time. One of these times I'm gonna walk in here and, like, speak the devil. Hey, we eating dinner? Yeah, woo! You're looking great, but I can make you look better. See you tomorrow. I'm going to bed. Oh. Good morning, sweetheart. It's nice to see you again. Time for another day of squirrel hunting. And squirrels hunting me, and me hunting squirrels. And chapter 4, verse 4. In this way the squirrel is good, and the lobster is bad. Wherefore squirrels may die, so that squirrels may live, just as lobsters live, so that lobsters may die. I feel like I'm going insane. Day 4. Let's do it. What do we got going on tonight? Be careful, use the map, use the call, large predators. Remember, sometimes it's better to hide than to fight. That's lame. I see a little squirrel fact here. Squirrels are always watching. You know, I actually don't doubt that. Especially depending on where you live. If you're in the suburbs, then yes, squirrels are always watching. Gotcha. Oh, you're way over there. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna hide this time. I'm hiding. Oh, that's great, man. I'm backing up. I'm backing up. I'm going behind the house. I'm out of here. Screw you, big squirrel. Big bitch, more like. There he is. Gotcha. Report 4. It's in the walls now. In the concrete. Looking for my brain. It can't find it because my brain is inside my skull. But it will. It will peel away skin and bone to get inside. When my brain is taken, I will come for you. I will break you open. I will take yours instead. I'm in the shadows now. I am seeing you cower. You are already stretched apart into pieces. Your head is already twisted off the spine. Thanks for that report. Oh, shoot! I didn't look for the geocache! Oh, I missed out on the ultimate secret ending. Damn, I did. Oh. I didn't get the geocache from yesterday, man. Oh. God. Such an idiot. How could I have missed the geocache? It was so obvious. Oh my God. Let me read this stupid lore. The artist lifted the axe, tears streaming down his face. The half-woman continued to scream and claw. He brought the axe down. Her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed and writhed. He brought it down again, separating her skull into two parts, and somehow, still she screamed. Again, the axe came down, and again, and again, and again, until she screamed no more. Return tomorrow for part 5! Yay! Alright, God, stop! Screw you. I need 2 more of these stupid things. I'm so done with squirrels. This is why I don't hunt squirrels, okay? When you hunt one squirrel, you're the one that's being hunted in the end, you know? Speaking of being hunted. What the fuck? Oh my God. Oh my God! Don't follow me into the woods. This is my safe space. Don't follow me. Why are you out here? I'm so mad I didn't pick up the geocache from yesterday. I'm actually so mad. I don't even care if the 4th one is there. I didn't catch them all, and that makes me sad. There he is. I see him. And it's a double squirrel. Let's go. Okay. Squirrels delight in causing pain. That's cool, man. Now I just have to head back home. I mean, what an adventure, am I right? What an adventure this has been. What a crazy, wacky little adventure we've gotten ourselves into here. I mean, my goodness, I've felt more emotion playing this game than I have in the last 2 weeks. And that's saying something. Alright, listen, wife. I don't know if you went back home or not. But there is something you have to know. You can't leave the house. It's not safe out here. It's for your protection. You can't leave now. Okay. She must be in the bedroom. There she is. Oh, you have a face now. Now we can kiss. Jesus Christ. Good morning. I'm going hunting. Let's read the last piece of the hedge, the grove. Chapter 4, verse 5. And I say unto you, in those final days the groves will bend in agonized worship, and the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion. So the stapler will become the stapled. Man, I hope not. That would suck. God is coming today. Well, not like that matters. It's time to go hunt some squirrels. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her very, very angry. Who is her? Who is her? My wife? Who is her? Oh, I got you. Let's go. I'm destroying today. I only need one more squirrel. Let's go. Apparently God is coming today, but I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. The artist's ears rang as he turned to the old woman and said, "What is this unspeakable horror that you have brought to me? How can I ever escape what has been done here? What penny spell can you cast to conjure good from this?" And the old woman examined the bloody mess and said, "Well, young man, this will make a mighty fine stew." And so they made a stew from the remains. But it was poison, and they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. The end. That is awesome. Boom! 4 shots is all it took. Squirrel Bear is what this thing is called. I never knew that until right now. I got double speed. God is coming. I must prepare to meet God. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. There's a lore piece. I'm missing lore. Hold on, God. I know you're coming and pretty soon here, but there is stuff I'm missing. I'm not ready to meet you. I have sins to do. I have to go to the Sin Shack. How can I miss the Sin Shack? Please disregard previous reports. Everything is quiet. Okay, well that was a waste of my time. But oh my god, I can't do sins anymore. Oh my god. Okay, let me get back to my house. Let me get back to the house. Okay, well I can like stable like. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know. I do. Okay, Alvin, is that you? Are you in there, Alvin? Who's singing right now? Is that Simon? Is Simon right in there? Is there a Simon in there somewhere? Okay. I get it. Where? Actually where? What is happening? Oh, fucking Christ! Oh, my head. Oh, my head. Ow. Oh. I'm done.